I basically decided to make video in the city of Maidenhead, but my friend asked me a question how to live in a budget. So I decided to make that video. But I'm new in the UK, and there are lots of my friends who ask me how do I live in a budget and can I afford to live in UK. So in this video I will try to explain to them and the best way to start from beginning. First, definitely you need to stick to your plan. That's one and only thing that you really need to learn. Second, don't record videos on the places like I'm recording right now, because there are too many cars and it's too loud for recording anything for YouTube. So first, you need to calculate what is your budget. So let's say that your earnings are £10 per hour. And let's say that average month have 4 working weeks and you work for 8 hours Monday to Friday, right? I know that my room in sharing house is £150 per week, and let's say that 1 month I have 4 weeks, and altogether that's about £600. So seconds, let's say that you have more than 1,000 in a budget after you pay monthly rent. So next step would be to organize your 4 weeks day by day, meal schedule and weekly expenses. Best ways to make your routine day schedule. Third, 1 week in advance, or if you can, plan your expenses for whole month. I know that's not easy, but it will help you definitely. I usually make my plan for next week at Friday, because I have 2 days on weekends to buy stuff for next week. I have more time to look on all stores. 4. Stick with your plan every day when you wake up till you don't go to bed. Definitely. If something left from lunch, leave that for dinner, and you don't need to cook or spend extra food or money for dinner, and on that way you can spare some food, and on the end you can spare more money. I'm not sure how in detail you want me to explain my monthly plan, but you can save some extra money with ordinary plans without problems, trust me. 5th, take attention on dates on all food. You don't want to be in position that you need to throw away your food, because it's not for eating anymore, right? And on that way you're just burning your money without a reason. For this tutorial I will try to make some vids with day by day expenses and cooking. Sometimes it will be less or more money invested in that project, but you'll see how I can just do it. On the end of the week I will make video with all calculation and expenses for that week. So probably I hope that will help you. So let's go to edit new video. See you on Saturday, Sunday. Anyway, see you next week.